Alright, it's day 2 of bag week, rag bag week that is. We got another big bag of clothes. I got my son Ruben here to help us out. He's been our lucky charm in the past. Hopefully that stays that way. Let's get into this, right? Let's go. Alright, these bags, you've never seen this channel before or never seen this series before. These are bags of t-shirts from local thrift stores.
Like a teen?
Yeah, that's like a high school.
Oh.
And we buy these bags from them. They fill them with all kinds of t-shirts, and we open them up on the channel to see if we can find vintage t-shirts that have any value. We have been profitable on this project over the last 6 months, so something we're gonna keep going with. Now look, we got a Yu-Gi-Oh.
Hi, Yu-Gi-Oh.
Is this 1996? Really?
Wow.
Made in Mexico. I don't know if it's actually 96, but we'll put that aside. Small kids t-shirt.
Oh,
What's that?
look. The kids.
Oh, like,
t-shirt.
yeah, Colorado. Alright, let's see. Come on. Lots of kids tees.
Another kid.
I need my space.
Twin Lake
Hilarious.
basketball camp.
Yeah. Alright, so we got a bunch of kids tees here.
Haha.
What's that?
Whoa.
Flippin', Arkansas. That's a town outside of, or in the I guess northern Arkansas. Interesting. I've been there to Flippin'. Perfect match. 1928.
The crew.
The Cure. I don't know what that means. What that says. All right, let's get. Come on. Come on.
It's it. Oh, it doesn't bite.
Let's not do 2 days in a row striking out. We had a day 1 of bag week did not start out very good.
Look the same. Yeah.
So hopefully day 2 will be better.
Ooh, what is this?
Arkansas, Arkansas.
Okay.
All right.
What does that say?
I don't know. It's something about curing a disease.
Oh,
What's that t-shirt?
I don't know.
What's citrus?
Look up
Now we got a bunch of t-shirts that are folded up here.
Is this like tie-dye?
No, but it looks like it's kind of like a homemade deal.
Oh. Yeah. Whoa. What is, what is, get
2000
healthy and lean in
Duck Dynasty.
2015.
Healthy and lean. 2015.
Oh, this is cool.
Cherry Vanilla Dr. Pepper. Okay. Kind of cool. This type of stuff is in. I'm not sure how old this is, but I guess the last time they produced cherry vanilla Dr. Pepper. The tag is cut out, so it's kind of hard to tell.
Oh, this is.
Yeah. Now there's a lot more t-shirts in this one, it feels like, because they're folded. They take up less space.
Oh, this is yucky.
Alright, yeah, there's a lot more in here.
Okay.
Alright.
Life guarantees? Guarantees.
Live generously.
Oh.
Some cool tie-dye tee there.
Oh, some chips. Yeah, I thought it was
Come
tie-dye.
on, vintage tees.
No. What is this? Is just the like that
This is a
head. Oh, what is this say?
says
Boxing.
Gassville Boxing Club. It's a local town in that area, or near where we bought these.
Oh.
Oh, what do we got here? Oh, it's not that old.
Basketball camp.
2009.
No fix answer.
Norfolk. Yeah.
No fork.
Norfolk.
Ooh.
2017.
Made in America 2017.
Come on now. That one just told you.
Years of what did that say?
No, I don't know what that is. But it's not anything we're looking for. Come on.
And just a bite.
This should prove to you that we don't
Oh, this is like
stack these
crispy.
things. This is I don't know if it's not that old.
Ooh.
Mickey Mouse tea.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
This is at the lake.
Yeah. There's a lot of t-shirts in this one. It is all folded up.
Oh, this is cool.
Got like dinosaurs on it.
I thought this would be a little kid tee. This is not a little kid
It's
tee.
got dinosaurs on it. Alright.
Oh look, it's a little. No, this would fit here though.
Oh yeah, what?
Yeah, it's 3 feet. Whoa. It's like,
So yeah, southern style, or what they call that little thing. What do you got there?
I don't know.
That could be interesting. Oh wow. I think it's Picos. I think that's what it's called. This is, I think it's on a vintage. This is a vintage tea. This is a historical park. I think in like Arizona.
Oh.
New Mexico, maybe. Yeah, New Mexico. That's cool. It's a.
Oh, look.
It is
Oh,
a
this is
tourist
nice.
tea, but some of those tourist teas, if they're cool looking, could do just fine.
Whoa.
Oh, what's this? Whoa. Titanic, the legend lives on. This is an early 2000s tag. This is probably from a like Titanic exhibit
Oh yeah.
of some sort, but that's early 2000s.
Oh, this epic.
That's cool though.
This is the best choice of.
Simcom, the flight simulator. I don't know, it's a tough one.
Whoa. It says. Dad, what is this thing?
Patagonia.
Oh.
This is a Patagonia tea. It's cool. World Trout Patagonia. We'll hold on to that one. Patagonia t-shirts don't tend to do super well, but we might be able to get $15 for it, which would pay for the bag, which would be nice because we're not hitting anything else. What we got here? Nope.
Whoa. It says Hooten and Hollering.
Hooting and hollering. It's on for the Loon's best, but it's nothing. It's 2006.
Whoa, this is. Oh, look, it's a. This is like feels super good. This is like a sweatshirt.
Oh yeah, yeah. Nice and soft. All right, coming down to the end. Unfortunately, doesn't look
What is
like we're doing too good.
bombers?
All right, only a couple left. Come on, save us.
Pink. Nope. Wait.
Nothing.
Well,
Here's the last one. And it's nothing on that one.
that's the last one.
That's it. No. There's one more. There's one more. Could this be something? No. It's nothing. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. But that happens sometimes. We did get a couple, maybe okay. Try to sell that Patagonia for $10 to get our money back, basically. But thank you for stopping by and joining. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you guys on day 3 of Bag Week. Let's go.